This video is demonstrating a Gstreamer setup on a Linux laptop using the Jack Audio Connection Kit. One really important advantage of using Linux is being able to use the Jack Audio Connection Kit to route audio from inputs to sources and inputs to destinations, syncs, and outputs. So you can wire different things as well as apply DSP LV2 plugins. We're using a few of them right now. The laptop microphone is a very cheap headset mic. We're trying to improve the audio just a little bit. In the house, there's a mixer going on, there's a TV on, there's people in the house, and there's workers in the house doing some construction. And in spite of all that, this is the audio that you're hearing. It's being filtered slightly by this noise repellent and controlling the volume into the mic, etc. Using a de-esser, a little bit of a bass boost, and it's going into one channel of a 2-channel Gstreamer pipeline. The other channels for the background music here, as well as we have browser media that you can also bring in. We'll let that play for a second.
Before it wasn't that way. Somebody's got to say to Christians, and I'm saying to you now, if you haven't heard it before, you've got enemies. They're called the world, the flesh, and the devil.
So you can also bring in browser audio to the channel. This second channel is for text messaging, using text to audio and audio to text. This is the receiving desktop with the web camera. And we'll demonstrate a live text message here. It operates just like Google Wave. And in addition to that, you can back it up and send something different. So the brief setup here is we're using Jack Audio Connection Kit with the laptop's native sound card and the laptop's native webcam, which simplifies this just a little bit. Instead of using a USB webcam and the USB microphone, we're able to use a headset mic. And we'll put the Gstreamer scripts for the transmit and receive in the video notes. And thank you for watching.